Hello students, in this session let us solve this question of torsional equation. In this question it is given that a solid steel shaft has to transmit 75 kilowatt at 200 rpm taking allowable shear stress as 70 Newton per millimeter square. Find the suitable diameter for the shaft if the maximum torque transmitted at each revolution exceeds the mean by 30%. So this is a question of torsional equation where we have to use the torsional equation. The power is given to us 75 kilowatt, RPM is also given 200 RPM. The maximum shear stress which the material can withstand is 70 Newton per millimeter square. Also it is given that the maximum torque is 30% higher compared to mean torque. So we have to find the suitable diameter of the shaft. Let us solve this problem. Hello students, in this question we are given with a shaft which is transmitting power. This much power is transmitted by the shaft, 75 kilowatt, and it is rotating at 200 rpm. The maximum shear stress which can this material bear is 70 megapascal, and it is also given that the maximum torque transmitted is 30% higher compared to the mean torque. It means 1.3 times, 30% higher means 1.3 times the mean torque. We have to find out the diameter of the shaft. What is the safe diameter of the shaft, minimum diameter of the shaft for transmitting this much power, 75 kilowatt at 200 rpm. So this is our question. Let us solve this question. What is power? What we know that power is given by 2 pi n t upon 60. This formula you must be remembering, 2 pi n t upon 60. N is the rpm and t is the torque, mean torque. Here t is the mean torque, right? Mean torque. But we have to design for maximum torque, not for mean torque. Here we will get the mean torque because power is obtained at the mean torque, right? So from here solve it and you will get the T mean. T mean will come out to be 60p by 2 pi n. 2 pi n. So this will come out to be 60 multiplied by p. P is the power 75 kilowatt. So 75 multiplied by 10 power 3 divided by 2 pi n. N is the rpm, 200. Solve it for mean torque and you will get the torque in Newton meter, or you can obtain also in Newton millimeter, right? It is up to you. You can find in Newton meter or Newton millimeter. So solve it and get the value of mean torque. What is the value of mean torque? 3581 Newton meter. 3581 Newton meter. So this is the mean torque which we have obtained. 3581 Newton meter, right? Kilo Newton meter, kilo we have removed from here, so this is Newton meter. Now T max, what is T max? T max, this is 1.3 times T mean, so this is 1.3 times 3581. So you will get from here the maximum torque which will be used for design purpose, right? So what is the maximum torque? Solve the formula and get the maximum torque. So you will get 4655 Newton meter. Maximum torque. This torque will be used for our calculation purpose, 4655 Newton meter, right? And to find out the dia, you know the torsional equation. What is torsional equation? That T by J is equal to tau by R. And when we take tau max, that is R max. Capital R means radius of the shaft, right? Here R we mean outer radius of the shaft, because maximum shear stress occurs at the maximum outer dia of the shaft, right? So from here we can write that T is T max basically, right? T max upon J. J is the polar moment of inertia. You know polar moment of inertia given by pi by 32 d to the power 4. That is equal to tau max, which is the safe shear stress, divided by dia radius, that is d by 2. So from here you can find out the diameter. only one thing is unknown, diameter is unknown, and you can solve for the diameter, find out the diameter. T max is given to us. T max, what is T max? 4655, 4655 approximately, divided by pi by 32, pi by 32 d to the power 4 equal to tau max is given to us 70 megapascal. It can be converted to Pascal. 70 10 to the power 6 is this much Pascal, divided by d by 2, d by 2. Here only one thing is unknown, d, right? Solve for it and get the value of diameter, right? And solve it using calculator. Only one unknown is there, and get the diameter of the shaft, save diameter of the shaft, and it will come out to be approximately, solve it and you get it, 70 millimeter. So this is the answer to this question, 70 millimeter.